I mean, the thing I would like people to know is that we have the client's best interest at heart. I don't think people understand how the program works, how long it takes, why it works. And it's this concept of, some people are overextended. They found themselves in a difficult situation. You have a consumer that isn't able to make all of their monthly payments. So they have several credit cards. Each credit card has a minimum payment. If you add up all those minimum payments, they can't make that total value. So when you come into our program, we're going to take the total amount of debt owed, and we're going to calculate what we believe we can settle or how much we believe we can reduce that debt. That will create a new monthly deposit, a new monthly amount that's less than what someone would pay the creditors. So as long as a client is consistent with that lower deposit, they've now been alleviated of the pressure, the burden of the full value of the payments, then we begin to negotiate directly with the creditors on their behalf. And that's the beauty of the program. There's no fee, there's no revenue on our side until we get the work done. We have to deliver first in order to get paid. Well, that was attractive to me. One of the things that we're very focused on is making sure that we're always upfront and honest about what's next in the program. What's next, what we anticipate next from the creditor, what we anticipate next in the program. Present people with the facts, present people with the truth, and let them make an informed decision on what they want to do next.